Jharkhand orders youth to quit smoking
Over a
and
decade
get
after
jobs.
tobacco rules over India, questions remain over
Tobacco
their
killed finally
efficacy.
4 Americans in 2020.
attributable to
Is it
cigarettes
India
and to
among
control
top
cigarette
4
makers?
countries with highest
With
number of deaths by
268
smoke?
million, India has second largest tobacco users in the world.
Cigarettes contain nicotine, which is responsible for the release of a chemical called dopamine in the brain. Dopamine triggers positive feelings for a temporary period. After some time, the body's dopamine production drops, making the person dependent on cigarettes for dopamine. A lack of dopamine causes severe depressive symptoms that prompts the person to take another cigarette.
Why is tobacco smoking considered to be a bad habit? Tobacco smoking kills over 8 million people every year. It can lead to loss of vision, hearing, smell, and even taste. It leads to weakening of the immune system, several dental problems, and is an important cause for lung cancer.
Each component of smoke damages us. Nicotine found in tobacco narrows the veins and arteries. It increases the blood pressure, leading to heart diseases. Carbon monoxide gas reduces the oxygen level in blood, damaging the body tissues. The solid particles of smoke, called tar, accumulates in the lungs, giving rise to respiratory problems. This tar also irritates your throat and lungs, causing smokers cough, damaging the lungs tissues. Long-term exposure to second-hand smoke can also cause these harmful effects.
So we know that we shouldn't smoke. But why do smokers find it difficult to quit smoking? Quitting smoking is tough as smoking has a direct effect on the brain. Tobacco consists of an addictive drug called nicotine which releases dopamine. When nicotine is discontinued, the smoker experiences physical and mental withdrawal symptoms like nicotine cravings, weight gain, sleep disturbances, and persistent cough, which makes the person want to start smoking again.
Start by making a plan which constantly reminds you of your goal. Discussing with a doctor or going for a nicotine replacement therapy is also a good idea. You can also consider joining quit smoking campaigns. A good way to deal with the withdrawal symptoms is to distract yourself by using celery or chewing gums.
Consuming nicotine replacement drugs after medical consultation can also make a big difference. Physical exercises can also help in combating tobacco cravings. Lastly, keep reminding yourself of the positive signs your body has gradually started showing, as these little victories will be stepping stones towards a healthy, tobacco-free life ahead.
Now you know how to quit smoking. So let me tell you the positive effects of quitting smoking. After 20 minutes of quitting smoking, your blood pressure begins to normalize. In another 8 hours, your body's oxygen levels will increase and your lungs function will begin to improve. After taking the final puff, your risk of developing lung cancer literally cuts into half, and thus that improves the blood flow. After 8 weeks of quitting smoking, your body's cholesterol levels will begin to improve, and after a year of quitting smoking, your risk of developing a heart disease will cut into half. Most important, you will give yourself a pair of healthier lungs by becoming a non-smoker.
Dear smokers,
Look around. There are so many people who care for you, and so many you don't even know.
But you have the golden chance to improve their lives by quitting smoking.
By protecting yours, ours, and everyone else's lungs.
This year, promise yourself to breathe air instead of smoke.
This year, change your identity from a smoker to a non-smoker.
Please quit smoking.